Welcome back to school, Eagle students. Welcome back to school, Eagle students. This is your guide to everything you need to know about returning to school from COVID on November 9th. First of all, let's talk about our morning entry procedures. All school traffic will enter through the bus parking lot from Oak Stump Road. Masks are required by all on school grounds. Those that are car drop-offs, you will stop at checkpoint 1 for the daily health screening found on Parent Square and temperature check. Car drop-offs without the daily health screening will pull into a designated spot to complete their form on location before proceeding. After successfully completing the daily health screening, cars will follow the cones around to the drop-off location. I'm driving my own car. What do I do? Student drivers will enter the bus parking lot and proceed to the parking area. Student drivers will then exit their cars and line up on socially distanced eagles to prepare for the daily health screening and building entrance. Well, I'm riding the bus. What do I do? Bus riders will exit the bus and line up on socially distanced eagles to prepare for the daily health screening and building entrance. Building entry procedures. As students enter the building, they will stop at the sidewalk to have their daily health screening confirmation. Students will then follow the eagle heads to the building entrance. Students will enter the building for their temperature check. Students with positive screening results will be escorted directly to the isolation room. Lunch procedures. Lunch will be a grab-and-go lunch pickup for all students. Students will take their lunch to the classroom to eat, and teachers will provide directions for mask removal. Hallway procedures. Students will sanitize their hands upon exit from the cafeteria and proceed to class following directional signs. Always make sure you follow the 3 W's. Classroom procedures. When entering classrooms, students will sanitize their hands at the sanitation station located right inside of each classroom door. Desks are socially distanced by 6 feet, limiting the number of students per classroom. Dismissal procedures. Bus riders will be dismissed by bus number and should follow directional signs to exit the building through the cafeteria, going out the same way they entered. Student drivers will be dismissed after all bus riders have exited the building. Students whose last name begins with A through K will be announced to leave first, followed by students whose last name begins with L through Z. Students will exit the building via the same way they entered in the morning, directly from their classroom to their vehicle. Students must leave the campus as soon as they are released in order for the students who are being picked up to leave their classes. Car pickups will be dismissed to a centralized, socially distanced location, more than likely the cafeteria, after all student drivers have exited the building. They will be called by loudspeaker as their ride arrives. Here are some video credits. For more information, be on the lookout for the NHS Back to School Guide that will be sent through Parent Square, and student email. Of course, we have bloopers. We love you, Eagles. We've missed you, and we can't wait to see you on the 9th.